Hello, thank you for checking out my recipe for crispy oven roasted cabbage. To prepare this recipe, you will need 1 head of cabbage. Go ahead and cut that into pieces, either quarters or 6 pieces per head of cabbage. You just want strips of cabbage that are not too long. After you're done cutting those pieces, go ahead and remove the stumps from all the pieces, and then you're going to slice your cabbage into not too wide but also not too narrow pieces, so about half an inch of width, and then you're going to place that into a large bowl. Do that with the rest of the pieces, and it will be ready for seasoning. Now, because I had a whole head of cabbage, it was quite a lot, so I'm seasoning it in 2 halves. But for seasoning, you need olive oil and then some fresh black pepper, crack that in, and then salt to taste. Now, some people might also squeeze in some lemon juice, but I don't like that for this recipe. However, feel free to add some lemon juice if you like it. Toast the cabbage until it is well coated with the seasoning. Separate any pieces that look like they're stuck together so that everything, gets a hold of the seasoning. I'm going to do the same with the second half really quickly. Olive oil, black pepper, and salt. Again, toast that as well. Of course, you could do this once in a larger bowl. I just decided to do it in 2 halves. And then I combined everything and toast again because, to make sure that it's all evenly seasoned. Now spread that out on a baking tray, and yeah, spread the cabbage out evenly. It looks like it's a lot, but it's gonna cook down. Cook that at 450 F for about 15 to 17 minutes, and make sure to stir it about halfway through so that it continues to roast and be crispy all through. Now the cabbage is ready to serve. You can enjoy it with baked meats, grilled meats, or fried meats, or even as a vegetarian dish. Thank you for stopping by.